Hi guys, I am Joy Curry. I am the Director of the Workforce Continuing Education, Financial Resources, and Student Support Department at Wake Tech. I am here today to give you just a little bit of information on our free training at Wake Tech. We have a plethora of courses, short-term courses that will allow you to skill up or even get a new skill. And we are offering these courses for free. That's right, free. No course registration, no supplies, no book costs. And we will even help you with your certification costs if you need that. We want to give you an opportunity to look at all of the courses that we have across the various pathways. We have IT courses and allied health courses, and we have law enforcement courses, public safety courses. We have whatever you are interested in. So if you are interested in getting into a free training course at Wake Tech, short-term training that will start you on a new pathway or even help you skill up for your current pathway, you should visit us at waketech.edu/free training. There you will find a list of the courses that are offered, and you will also find our scholarship application. It's a very simple process, just a few minutes, and we can have you all ready to go for your free training. And if you are not interested in any of the courses that are offered on the free training site through our Propel initiative, we have a wealth of personal enrichment courses, baking classes, and language classes. We have something here in our Workforce Continuing Education for anybody, for whatever you need. So please visit us at workforce.waketech.edu to see a list of all of our available courses.